exercise, pretty good exercise on your shoulders mobility and upper trapezius muscles and your neck. So we're using exercise ball and your position. I want you to hold the exercise ball. Let's say this exercise ball couple pounds. It's heavy ball. So you keep the exercise ball close to your face, close to your nose, and I want you slowly. Don't rotate. Keep your body stabilized. Just rotate only hands around your head. We're doing 12 repetitions on each direction. Let's go. Let's do together. Keep your back straight, neck stabilized. Let's go. 1, 2. Every time you exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Nice. Couple second rest. Make sure you keep your belly tight and don't rotate your torso. All your torso stabilized. Different direction. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Be well.